Check it out. We got a new feature drop in CRMX. It is this wonderful, super duper special countdown timer. And it is for special offers. For instance, the use case you would use this. And the reason why this is cool is there are countdown timers already exist on landing pages, but they don't exist where you can put them in your emails, sync those same countdown timers up in your email and your landing page. So if you wanted to do a promotion on January 1st and you wanted to create one timer and then embed that timer on all pages and emails, you can now. Okay, so that's what's really cool. This countdown timers, if you haven't used them, they're amazing to get urgency going and to get people to take action. They work and they're proven. So start using countdown timers in your campaigns and you'll see an uptick in your conversion rates. So overall, I'm in settings right now, and the countdown timer settings right now, and I've started creating a countdown timer. That's how I got here. I'm in the, you can go to general, you can do fixed. Fixed just means the one I'm on, like, hey, this is a fixed date and it ends. You can do reoccurring. So this loops a countdown for a specified duration. So you can loop this countdown over and over again. For instance, challenges and so on. You can keep looping this. So if you do a 5-day challenge or a 4-day challenge or a 1-day challenge over and over again, and you want this timer to just loop over and over again inside of the emails and landing page that this timer is embedded on, then it will. And then dynamic is coming soon, which means based on when someone lands on your landing page, it will create a real-time, let's say a real-time countdown timer just for that person's computer and phone so that they see it on. So in other words, if you want everyone who ever comes to your free offer that you have for them to have a 10-day window that only every individual gets, which is fine, that's good. You're not lying to them. You're not being weird. You're just saying every person gets 10 days to decide to buy this special offer. Everyone will have a dynamic individual countdown timer. Does that make sense? This is a great one for evergreen funnels, evergreen webinar funnels, evergreen anything. Evergreen meaning automated, constant going. Okay, so that one is coming soon. Team is working on it, but right now you can do recurring and fixed. These are great. Again, if you want to run a promotion, this is the timer I would use. You go through, you do your you do your settings here, you set them up here, and I'm going to show you on the landing page and the emails of where to put them now and how to find those elements. All right, so here I am magically inside of this email campaign. It's a template I'm in. And now what you can do is you'll see this new widget over on the left, or this new element, I should say, on the left, and you can drag it over here and put a timer. It's going to ask which timer. So I've got to choose here. It's just loading it. So here we are, just loaded. So you have this timer here. I've named it. I only have one, and you can see it's named as well, my super duper special one. So I select this one, and this now is going to match the criteria I set up in my countdown timer. In this case, it's a recurring one that resets every Sunday night, basically. So if, in other words, I'm doing a 5-day challenge in this example, let's pretend this email says, welcome, we're running a 5-day challenge and we want to invite you, and it starts on Monday, and then Monday morning at 9 a.m. Well, this countdown timer resets every time. Monday at 9 a.m. it'll reset back again. And so that way you can keep running a promotion for all leads coming in. They will all start on a Monday. Does that make sense? Or if you have classes that reoccur and you just want to keep inviting people to it and say the next class starts in, it would say in 6 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes. And it would always keep regenerating this for however many reoccurrences you put in there. Right now I had mine, for example, at 12 reoccurrences before it was done recurring. You could put it at 100. Point is, that's how it shows up in the emails, okay? So now what's ideal is, let's say they click here, let's say the call to action, this is just an example email, this is not written for that promotion, but let's say they click anywhere to go to that landing page that explains the details and how to sign up. Let me show you where that belongs. Okay, so this is perfect for, as you can see right here, this is a landing page that has a countdown timer already on it, but it's not this timer that I'm looking for, the type of element I'm looking for. These are called elements, each one of these little things. And this countdown timer has existed for years inside of CRMX. But what you can do now is use your new dynamic countdown timer, or not dynamic one necessarily, but your new synced countdown timer that syncs up with the emails they're receiving. They click on the emails, they come here, and the countdown timer is the same. You don't have to like sit there and do all the math and count it down, and it's always matched up. And in my case, let's pretend this is a offer for a 5-day challenge, and they're signing up for it, and it's going to reset every Monday and start counting down to the next Monday. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. I'm actually going to add a different element, and it's under here, down here under countdown timers, and you'll see it's a recurring super duper special offer thing is what I named it. It's going to embed that in here. Give it a second. There we go. And then I can stylize it how I want here. So now I would remove this, stylize it, make it how I want, hit publish. And now this is always going to match up with my recurring emails that keep recurring, and this timer is going to keep going. Now I don't have to come in here and change the dates all the time for the recurring event that I have every Monday. Cool? All right, that is a really cool update for you to get more sales. So start using it, and more attendees to your events and special offers. That's the whole point of using these timers. I would start using timers in almost everything you do to promote and to create urgency.